Hi folks, Alan Mandick, the Hot Rod Hippie here at SEMA 2018. I'm at the Hot Rod Innovations booth out of Brentwood, California. They've got a couple of interesting products I thought you might be interested in. This here is a slide-away column system. Now, a slide-away column is not an unheard of thing. However, this is an automatic system. It uses a solenoid drive motor that actually actuates off of a door switch. So when you open the door, the column automatically tilts away to make it easier to get in and out of cars. Something like the street rods that I constantly work on, this would be killer for ease of access, getting in and out of that vehicle, make it easier on you. It's a nice strong setup. It has a full mechanism, comes with it. The slide, the mount, the motor. Doesn't come with column drop, but it does come with swivel ball at the end of the column. Now another new product that the folks here at Hot Rod Innovations have is their throttle return spring setup. You might think, how can somebody invent a new throttle return spring setup? How can you improve on that? Well, theirs is a push design, it's a compression design. Rather than stretching a spring out when it's trying to return that throttle, this actually compresses a piston with a spring on it. It is adjustable, so you can go ahead and adjust it to create the pedal tension that you are personally looking for with this design. It has a range of different colors for the actual mechanism itself, as well as a silver or a black mount setup. It all looks really good on these carburetors here. It has a nice quality look to it. It's an interesting idea, something different, inventing a better mousetrap, if you will. Thanks to the folks at Hot Rod Innovations for having us, taking a look at these interesting new products that they have here. You can see that thing flapping away in the background here. Go ahead and drop this video a like if you found it interesting. I'll throw their contact information down below in the description. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of these ideas? What do you think of these new products? Let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for new content from SEMA 2018 all week long. Thanks for coming around, folks.